guys, welcome back to Once Upon DIY. Today I'm showing you how to make an origami butterfly. This is the simple version. It is not that really complicated one. You want to see it? It's it looks like this. This is from a really long time ago. That's why the color's faded. It's on a popsicle stick. But yes, it's gonna look like this. It's more of a simple version. So let's get on with it. Step one, we're going to start with some folds. Yes, this is kind of a small paper, so I hope you can see. We're folding it into a triangle. And the easiest way to make a good triangle is first line it up at the top, and then you can set it down and put your finger there, and then just go like that, and then crease both sides. That's a good way. And then we're going to fold it here. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna fold it in half. Line that up. Increase it. And then fold it in half again. There, and time for the next step. So step two, we have made all the folds. And we're gonna fold it in half now. I know we just did that, but anyways, we're gonna take this part and we're gonna push it in, and that makes half of a triangle. And we're gonna push the other side in, and now we have a triangle. And if you didn't, so you have like this. So you're folding in half, and you're folding along this line, so you're pushing this line in like that, so then it makes a triangle. So here, push it in, push it in, and there, you have your triangle. So now for step three. Okay, so we now have our triangle, and on one side, well, first we're gonna turn it over. We're leaving it like this, and on one side, so we already have it in half. We're folding along that half, folding it down, and then fold the other side down. And now it looks like a butterfly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget that every Tuesday and Thursdays are quick draw days, so stay tuned for those and go check them out on Instagram.